QuickBooks versus Quicken. Which is best for your small business? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing two popular financial management tools, QuickBooks and Quicken. Both are designed to help manage finances, but they serve slightly different purposes and audiences. So in this tutorial, I'll be comparing their features, pricing, and suitability for small businesses to help you decide which one aligns best with your needs. We'll kick things off by looking at QuickBooks. What is QuickBooks? QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting software developed by Intuit, tailored primarily for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a range of features to manage various financial aspects. Some standout features of QuickBooks are double entry accounting, which helps to ensure accuracy in financial records by recording both debits and credits. Also, its invoicing feature is something to talk about, as you'll be able to create and send customized invoices to clients. You'll also be able to use their expense tracking feature to monitor and categorize business expenses, and it is also a good option when it comes onto inventory management, as it has a feature that allows users to track inventory levels and manage stock. And their most talked about feature is definitely their payroll integration, as with this feature you'll be able to handle employee payments and related taxes. Now let's explore some pros and cons of QuickBooks, starting with some pros. For instance, we have the comprehensive feature set. And what do I mean by that? With QuickBooks, it offers robust tools suitable for various business needs. QuickBooks is also scalable, so this is the perfect platform to grow with your business, as it offers advanced features as needed, and it is also easy to integrate with third-party applications. The only pullback would be pricing tends to be on the higher side, which might be a consideration for smaller businesses, and there is a slight learning curve. And talking about pricing, as you can see right here, their pricing plan starts off at $17 per month, and it can go up to $117 per month. Now, if we were to take a quick look at Quicken, Quicken is another financial management software from Intuit, primarily designed for personal finance but with some business capabilities. Some standout features of Quicken are personal finance management, which will allow you to track personal expenses, budgets, and investments, and business income and expense tracking. So with this feature, you will be able to monitor income and expenses for small businesses or side gigs. It is also good for rental property management, so you'll be able to manage rental income, expenses, and tenant information. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of Quicken, starting with the pros. It's affordable pricing, it's generally more cost-effective than QuickBooks, and it combines both personal and business finances, so it is suitable for individuals who want to manage both in one place. And they have a user-friendly interface, so its simple design makes it easy for beginners. The only pullback I would say is limited business features, and it only has a single user access, so it doesn't support multiple users, which can be a limitation for a growing business. And if we were to look at the pricing when it comes on to Quicken, as you can see right here, if you were to select personal, you can see that it starts off at $299. That's if we were to go onto their annual plan. And if we were to select business plan, you can see that it starts off at $399, as you can see right there. So it all depends whether you like to use it as personal or business, or if you would like to use it as both, as you can see here. So which one of these are suitable for small businesses? When it comes on to QuickBooks, I would say it is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses that require comprehensive accounting solutions, including inventory management, payroll, and detailed financial reporting. Its scalability makes it suitable for growing businesses. On the contrary, when it comes on to Quicken, it is best suited for individuals managing personal finances alongside a small business or side hustle. It also beneficial for those handling rental properties However, its limited business features may not suffice for more complex business needs. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.